don't eat the fruit of good and evil tree. They lived in peace and joy so free.
Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing.
In garden's middle stood that tree. The serpent came and whispered secretly. He lied to Eve with words so sly. Adam stayed silent, bought the lie. They ate the fruit their eyes could see. They felt their shame and tried to flee. You gave a chance that they denied. No true confession, just fear inside. Hallelujah, Jesus on the cross brought us grace and paid the cost. Hallelujah, Jesus on the cross, He conquered death for all the lost.
Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do.
The tears you sent them far away from tree of life, they could not stay. But through